Hey, what's up, everyone? It is TechWares. Today is December 18th, 2024, and I just want to show you how you can easily download and install updates for your Wi-Fi drivers, also your Bluetooth drivers, and this is, of course, for Windows 10 and 11. So if you're on an older Windows operating system, this might not be for you. However, if you're on Windows 10 and 11 and possibly beyond, depending when you're watching this video, this tool is really helpful. Now, most of you will be actually on a system that utilizes the Intel wireless Wi-Fi drivers, also the Intel wireless Bluetooth drivers. All right, so to easily update the drivers, you need to download a tool called the Intel Driver and Support Assistant tool. What this tool does, it automatically identifies your products and get drivers and software updates for them. All right. So if you're on Intel hardware, this software tool is definitely 100% useful. It's what I've been using for many years, and it's pretty much helped me stay up to date with all the latest uh, driver and software updates for my Intel hardware. So to get the tool, just go to Google and type in Intel Driver Support Assistant, and the results should be on pretty much the first result. All right, now when I click on this, it's going to automatically scan my system and prompt me for any driver updates that I need. However, if you don't have this tool installed, it will take you to a page that says, download the tool and install it. Now, it's a very small tool, as in it doesn't take up that much size. It actually just runs in the browser. So, for example, if you run the tool, for me, it sits in the Windows toolbar section. And when I double click it, it automatically opens up this page. So it's not like a program that pops up on your screen. It runs in the browser. I hope that's clear. Now, as you can see for me, for example, here, let me just go on this page. Let me click it. So it's going to refresh for me, see? And it's going to say scanning your system. It said it really quickly right there. Hopefully you didn't miss that. And it says there are 2 software updates available. And of course, one of them is the wireless Wi-Fi drivers, and the other one is the Bluetooth drivers. And it gives me options to download each of them separately, or I can just download all. Now, as you can see right here, let me just scroll down. These are my system specs. So it's also useful for showing you your system devices and drivers. Now, with this tool, you can also update your Intel graphics driver. For me, my graphics driver is a pretty old one, and it's not really supported anymore from Intel. They don't really support updates for it. It is a legacy graphics driver. So for me, I can't really update it for my current driver. However, if you're on a newer Intel graphics device or hardware, you'll be able to update the graphics driver through this tool as well. Now, as you can see, you can also click on both of these, and you can sort of expand the information. And as you can see, for the Wi-Fi drivers, the release date was September 17th and was yesterday, and it shows you the size of the driver. And same thing for the Bluetooth driver. It was released yesterday. It says the version number here. It says the size of the driver right here. You can also check on your install history. As you can see, these are all the history of my previously downloaded and installed drivers using this tool. As you can see, it's pretty much all just Bluetooth and Wi-Fi drivers for me. Earlier this year, there was actually a graphic driver, as you can see, for my Intel processor that has integrated graphics from Intel. There was an update. Sorry, not this year. Actually, it was in 2022. So that's when I updated. Anyways, back to the newer drivers. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to download it. Just click on download. It's going to start the download. It's going to show you the progress here. It's going to progress bar, also the percentage. Let me actually, and there we go. Now it's downloaded. It's going to prompt you to install. Now, once you click install, it's going to pop up the installation window. You're not going to be able to see it because of my recording. However, let me just turn on this right here so you'll be able to see it. Now we're going to click install. Give it a few seconds to run. And there we go. It's going to ask me, are you sure you want to upgrade from version 23.90.0.8 to version 23.100.1.1? So I'm going to click yes. And here's the Bluetooth driver installation window. I'm going to click next and just go through the installation process. I'm going to agree to the end user license agreements. Next, choose setup type. I always do it complete. You can choose what you like. However, I do complete. For all program features will be installed. Requires the most disk space. It's fine. Complete. Next, install. Now it's going to begin the installation of the wireless Bluetooth drivers. And of course, when this finishes, I'm going to do the installation for the wireless drivers as well, for the Wi-Fi wireless drivers. However, I'm not going to show that on the video. It's pretty much the same thing, same process. Click download, click install, go through the installation setup, and that's it. You've successfully updated your wireless Bluetooth drivers and also the wireless Wi-Fi drivers, and you're staying up to date with all the new releases, with hot fixes, bug fixes, things like that. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you have any questions, take care, everyone. Peace.